Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. Now people, it boils down to this very one question. Do you believe that the Prime Minister of Jamaica has the best interest of the people at heart? That is my question to Uno. You know, because a lot of people right now is wondering if the PM is pushing one specific thing and now look out for the people them, right? Because the other day I saw something on social media where they must say, yo, if unvaxxed people go to the hospital, they might not get treated the same way. Now, Uno tell me how that make Uno feel. But brother, I make a statement and I'm going to make you hear what I'm officer right now. But before I do that, if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please click the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Come we go here with the general attacks.
Blessed day, my people. I reach a work and I say, before me start work, I have some things on my mind where I want to get off of my mind. You see me? First thing what I want to say, you have some people now we tell you say, if you're not afraid then kill you. Or if you're not afraid then lock you up. Let me tell you something. You see, anytime you live in a one country where the government can tap you and speak or stop you and criticize them, and each time when you do it, then stop you and lock up you and prosecute you and charge you and do you all that kind of something. Once a government of a country can tap the citizens and speak, then them take your power. Them can do anything at all. And once you give them the power, where them can tap you from voice your concern, right? You already lost everything. Then, because it is the voice of the people. Alright. My first topic this morning, you see? My first topic is, it come like say with leaders, then especially the Prime Minister, because I'm not afraid to talk, you know. Then, I'm not afraid to talk, and I'm not fear death. Death is the only thing I'm loyal to in this life. You understand? Because all of them nice place when I hear Christian at church I sing about Golden Street and all that kind of something, you know, think me want to walk on them road there. More than for day I walk on them a patrol road there if I broke my foot. You know? And me have Golden Street of heaven. Then as much as me not drink milk, but me will bring me honey. You understand? Me will bring me lime for use with honey. Anyway, that is not the point. The point is, it come like with leaders, our Jamaican leaders. Then it come like them a take coke. Then it come like more time when time then go give some speech. It's like them high. You understand? Under some crack. Then because there's no way we could have elect one leader. Then if you lead the people them, we elect you. Then and say, okay, then we think you're fit to lead the mass. Then and at this where we are get. It make me wonder if them people are some if the Prime Minister are cooked, right? Or must smoke some lab ganja. Then because there's no way, brother. Certain things will come out of your mouth, couldn't come out of your mouth unless you are cooked or you smoke some lab weed. How you figure say? If man sick and go to hospital and if you're not vaccinated, then you don't get no good treatment. Or you don't have no resource. You don't have no resource for the man or the woman or the child because they're not vaccinated. Prime Minister, you're mad. You understand? It is in the constitution of Jamaica. Because enough people you see come on social media or them come and try to turn down whatever you are trying to say, or try flag you, blackmail you and do what them try to do, then don't know the constitution of the country that they live in. See? Me is not the brightest student in my class, but at least when we go camp, right, you have to know the constitution of your country. And most of them people you see in a power, and them policemen and most of them people and they don't know the constitution. And most of the people that are getting abused from these people do not know the constitution or the law of the country either. It is in the constitution that no man, woman, or child should be denied, right, of medical treatment or hospital then, in other sense. And no children shouldn't be denied of education. That simply means to say, all this you know, tell about your whole school fee, and your whole this, and your whole that, and your whole that. Them can't turn back your picnic. You understand? Because it is the constitution from wherever time. You see me? And the law still stand. So when the Prime Minister can tell you, say, they not provide nothing for your hospital if you get corona. If you not take them vaccine. He's talking bullshit, man. You see me? Him talking foolishness. Right? And all me can tell him, say, brother, we are black people and sometimes we go astray. Saying as black people or as human beings, we go astray. So, me I beg you to find your way back. You understand? Find your way back, brother. Not try to push this thing. We're not trying to push the agenda. We're not trying to push pan them type of people at Jamaica because there's a lot of sleeping giant there. You understand what I say? There's a lot of sleeping giant there at Jamaica, Mr. Prime Minister. So I beg you, please, sir, all the bullshit where you try to keep up and I try to push pan the people, them, I beg you for just reconsider. Right? We see you this morning on the news, I say, crime reach a height where it call for state of emergency and all them things. That are the only thing you know, brother. That are the only thing you know. And the only thing you know is we call state of emergency, like Iraq would there, or Iran or Afghanistan. This is Jamaica, brother. The land of sunshine and good heart people. Then, and for all them elect, no, I want to come in a power. Crime rate turn up. Then, crime rate turn up and turn over. Then, I'm going to tell you the reason why most of the crime happen at Jamaica. There's a lot of reasons. I'm going to name a few. Okay, the first reason why crime rate and guns step on the street because according to your name, according to your surname, or your last name, or whatever they want to put it, and the position that you hold, or your status in a Jamaica, or whatever you want to be, when them container come off, you don't get searched. You understand? Because of that man the container, so you can't search. You see me? That's how the gun come. Most of the gun. Next thing again, corruption there in high places, right? As in the politics. A matter of fact, in every aspect where you can do it in Jamaica, there is corruption, right? And if you live in our country, and if a man do something, and just because he's in high places, right, you can pardon him, right? But you prosecute the fatherless and the widows. Then, next thing, before we go further, Jamaican people need responsibility, Mr. Prime Minister. Right? Jamaican people need responsibility. Right? But if you provide, give all the resource where you use a peer soldier, for them can build up the whole of camp, some 5-10 story building run a camp back there. Then up a condominium. Then them 10-story building where you build up around the for store soldier. Right? If you can use some of them the money there. And make one other way for the people. Them give the people them responsibility. Mr. Prime Minister. All them toll road land where you have dish out and have them there, a bush up. Give the land to the people them. Give the land to the people them. Let the people them can give it to them for a small rate so them can work and find one way to pay for the land. And all of them something there. Then all me see you do at Jamaica and Jamaican people, most Jamaican people no see it either. Is if you don't name Hung or Chung or Fung and so, you come like you don't have no chance. Come like you don't have no chance. You know, so a whole heap of people here have ability, brother. See my pitney them graduate from school with them subject and a yard then sit down and after me spend for me millions. Right? There's nothing to give back or get back. Then sit down a yard without a job. Somehow qualify. And we go school, we go college, we go university, and we still have to come back a yard because there's no opportunity there. Right? And as Chinese man left from where they left from, you give them land, and you give them this, and you give them that, and you give them all kind of something. And with the right, yes, so. And if we occupy a little piece of land, you come, if we even say occupy it and I do look a vendor and you come push we have, tell we say a government land and we are squat and then this is we man land. And at the same time, the Chinese man come here and he must ship Jamaica of all his resource, ship it down to the bone. I will not see that right now. People are England right now, you see? Christmas are come and people are Cyril and whatever and rum. Where you think them buy from? Not Jamaica. Them buy Cyril and rum from China. The same Jamaican rain nephew, rum. At China, them buy from Jamaica, even the Rastaman color. China tea, take we go and sell it and make millions. Everything them take. They fabricate everything and take it. And even the people them art. The art and craft people them. Chinese strip them of their resource and have it for them country. I do the same thing. And I sell it. Them take everything. Take the culture, then take the dance, everything them take. And I ship Jamaica down to the bone and I don't see that. But all you can talk about every day state emergency. All you can talk about every day is lockdown and curfew and state of emergency. There is a better way. Give the people them responsibility. That's what Jamaica people need. Responsibility, brother. And look, a man come out now and him build up a cart. And him start up a little thing and sell some fruits. And all of those things. And he happen to go either PC Bank or JN. And he take out a loan. And he buy a little van. And him trust people goods. And put on it. And I do. And with no power, go and say, brother, if you go juggle pan of one, you need one CC plate. And then go and get them CC plate. Then go get them food handlers and then get everything. And at the same time, your police and your metro them come, jack up the man fan, take away the man fruits and everything and left him back on his face. It was easy target. Alone, easy target. The little vendor them and the little people and them, the police them are harassed now. And gunman out there at large. What Jamaica really gone to now? Zane? What Jamaica really gone to? And me I go blame the Labour Party. You understand? Because for me a little boy, my parents is a Labour right them vote for. And all kind of something I used to hear people say, them are the worst. I used to think say, well, no, them are the best. But me live for come see. Me live for come see. And I go tell Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, say, brother, just watch how you tread. You understand? Because you tread on ice. You see me? You're treading on ice. Because when the people them turn against you, brother, I tell you, when the people them turn against you, you have to go run well like a steed. The Asian president or prime minister. Just give back to the people them, give the people them opportunity. Show the people them love and respect, Mr. Prime Minister. And also advise your police force to show the people them love and show them respect.
So see there, una hear everything where the man have to say. More have to hear from uno down below in the comment section. Una agree with him or no disagree? Do you believe the Prime Minister has the best interest of the people at heart? Would I love to hear from uno down below. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider clicking the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. And I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.